Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little gorilla that goes with the book I just read. I'll show you how to use it for Cricut Designs in Cricut Design Space and in Silhouette, or if you don't have either of those, you can just print this thing out and cut it with your scissors. So follow me to my desktop and I'm going to show you how to use it for Cricut Design Space. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come to upload an image, and I'll browse for the one that I downloaded, and it was called Gorilla. It's a PNG file. Click on that and say open. Comes in perfectly like this with the offset already around him. I'll just say complex and continue, and there's really nothing I need to do here, so I'll continue. And there he is. Save him as a print then cut. When he comes in, you'll want to make sure, well, let's get him in there first. I'll show you. Going to insert him. I'm going to make sure that no warning comes up over here. As you'll notice, no warning has come up over here, which means my image is fine. It's going to fit as a print then cut for Cricut Design Space easily. I can change the color of the canvas so you can see what it's going to look like that. And then I would just say make it. And so there it would be. So that's all you have to do for a Cricut Design Space. The same thing for Silhouette. I'll open my Silhouette Studio file, and I would just go ahead and go open, new document, and I'm going to go to File, Open, same one, Gorilla, okay. He comes in very big here, so I'll want to resize him down so he'll fit on my 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, just like that. And of course in Silhouette, I'll need to make sure I turn on my registration marks and he fits within there, and then I can just make him whatever size I'd like. Oops. Of course, I would print him first, and after he's printed, I would then go to Send, and I would make sure that it does say cut edge, although on this I don't think it matters that much, but I would cut the edge and just go on ahead from there. And then my little friend would be so thrilled to have a little bookmark, actually a pretty big bookmark that they could use, or they could pretend that they're helping the gorilla go through all of the scenarios that he goes through, whether it be the anthill or the mud or the various other things that he does before his little baby boy comes and scratches his back. So I hope you like this. See you again soon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, bye.